Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm headed over to Hobby Lobby. There's a few things that I want to get, so I made sure that I did make a list that I don't forget anything. I definitely want to get some floral mugs for my coffee bar. Now I also want to make a vignette for my family room that's going to go on an ottoman. So I'll be looking for some pieces for that. And I also want to decorate my entryway table for spring. And then in my kitchen, I still have my cocoa bar set up with my apothecary jar that has the hot chocolate mix in there. So I'm definitely gonna get rid of that. And I have some smaller jars that are holding my marshmallows and my mints. I wanna go ahead and bring in maybe some moss with some Easter eggs. And I just wanna bring in some spring into my kitchen. So let's head over to Hobby Lobby and see what I can find. Well guys, as you can see, I did pretty well when I was in there today. Everything I bought was either 50% or 40% off, and basically everything that I looked at was on sale. So I did really well. I got quite a bit of stuff, and I'm really excited to go home and see how all this stuff is going to look. I got some really nice stuff for my vignette that I can't wait to put together. And down here, there's just some more bags. So I am really loading up the trunk with lots of goodies. And I have another bag here. And my tray over here that I use for my vignette is in here. So now I am off to the Dollar Tree. Hey guys, I'm back from Hobby Lobby. So as you can see, I have all these packages here, and I have a ton of stuff to share with you guys what I got. Now everything was on sale that I bought. It was either 50% or 40% off. So let me share with you, the first thing I got was this tray here. Now I am going to do a vignette in my family room here. I have an ottoman in the corner that I'm going to do something on here with. Now this was priced at $19.99, and then this was 40% off, so this cost me around $12. And then I picked up these little nests here with these little Easter eggs in there. And these were priced at $5.99, and again, 40% off. Not sure where we're going to use these at, but I grabbed them just in case. And then I picked up these cute little bunnies. And these are priced at $4.99. Now I was thinking if I wanted to use little bunnies, I could just cut off the sticks and place them on my tray. Now I have some other ideas. I need to do something in my kitchen. I also need some stuff in my entryway. I believe these are going to go in a jar out on my kitchen counter. I'm going to put some moss in there and use these eggs. Now these were priced at $5.99, and again, all their stuff is 40%, and I believe the greenery was 50%. And then I got this little ball here. And let's see, price on this. This was pretty good. This was $4.99, and these were actually 50% off, so I got that for $2.50. And I believe I got 2 of these. And then these look like Easter eggs, but they have a little green moss on them. Now I'm thinking about putting moss on the bottom of my tray here, and then I'll add a couple of these when I do my vignette. And then I picked up these cute little beads here. So I think this is also going to be used for the vignette. I'm going to hang these over something that I have that I'm going to use in there. And then again, another one of these for $2.50. I think that's a really good deal, so I went ahead and picked up 2 of them. And I thought this was really cute. This looks like a fern. And I think this was priced at $5.99, and again, 50% off, so that for $3. I just think those look so cute on a tray. And either a tray or a 2-tiered tray. Now a lot of this stuff, she ended up spending some time wrapping a lot of the stuff that I got. This is a bunny that I purchased. And he was marked at $9.99, and again, 40% off. And I picked up a little bird. And like I said, I'm not sure where I'm going to use the bird at or this bunny, but we will see what I can come up with. I also bought this bigger bird here, and he was priced at $5.99. So I ended up getting a lot of nice stuff. And for this little succulent here, this was priced at $4.99. So again, $2.50, half off. I did find a little miniature water can that I'm going to use this in, and I think I'm going to use it on my tray here. Let's see what else I got. Of course, couldn't pass up the little moss bunnies. So I believe I got 2 of these, and these are priced at $7.99. Oh, here's the little watering can. I just thought that was so cute and so adorable, and this was priced at $2.99. So I think this is going to look really cute, this idea here. And I really feel like I want to pick up more of these, but again, I don't want to use the same stuff throughout my house, but I guess it really doesn't matter if it's in a different room. But I just really thought this was a really cute idea. A little watering can with that. And let's see. Here's my other little bunny I got. And then these lamb's ear I did make in my other video. I did do a arrangement for my kitchen table, and I wanted to pick up a couple extra of these to make it fuller. So I think 2 more will do the trick. These were priced at $5.99, and of course half price. And let's see, a lot of the stuff is all wrapped up. It's gonna be, oh, these are cute. So these little pastel little stands, I think I'm gonna switch these out on my coffee bar and switch out, because I have white ones on the coffee bar there on my 2-tiered tray, and put the pastel yellow one on there and take the white one and use it for my vignette that I'm gonna do. And let's see, these were priced at, oh, I can't even see. Say, I think that says $3.99? $3.99. And then I thought this was really cute, another little ceramic watering can in yellow. And I got this cute little bunny here in this nice shade of blue. And I do, like I said, I have my entryway table to decorate, so some of this stuff I'm gonna play around with and see what I can come up with. This one's a little styled a little different. And let's see. I got this in this light blue color, another little stand. So I thought these were really adorable to use on your 2-tiered trays or any little vignette you want to do. And my big one, that's going to be the center of my vignette, is going to be this bunny here, which I just love. And for some reason I was thinking he cost me like $16, and then after I realized that 40% off $20 was me saving $8, he only cost me $12. So I thought that was a really good deal. So he's going to be the focal point of my vignette right here. And then I'm going to add a few things around there. And then this I also really love. It says flower and garden. And I'm going to do this right here with one of these balls on top. So far when I was in the store, I was playing around with this little tray and putting the bunny and all the little stuff on there, and I was like, oh, it's gonna come out so cute. It's really adorable, you know, because that's my next project is what I'm gonna show you guys is how to do a vignette. And then the last thing I got was, this is gonna be for out in my front porch as you come in the door. I have 2 lanterns there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this around my pot and then put the lantern on top. Because I still have some winter greenery out there, so I want to definitely replace that. And then I think I was going to use these green bunnies in my lantern, but I'm going to have to go outside and see what they're going to look like. So that and this one will go in my lantern, and these I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now I was super excited that I was able to incorporate all these items into my home for spring. So I hope this gave you some ideas on how to decorate your home for springtime. Now I do have some upcoming videos where I'll be using some of these items in my videos. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. And until next time, happy decorating!